Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is HMD Arc phone. In this video, let me tell you how to fix quick battery drain. So if your battery on your HMD Arc phone drains faster than it should, then you have to try those 4 fixes that I'm going to tell you about in a second. So first of all, let's enable battery saver mode. Open settings on your device, and now let's go to section with your battery. Here you will see battery saver, and this is this battery saver mode that I'm talking about. So you want to turn this on, and this will basically dim your screen a little bit, and also this will restrict any background activity of different applications. Now let's go back, and next thing is limiting background data for applications. So you want to go to section network and internet, and now let's go to data saver section. Here please enable use data saver. So as you can see here, this little text, it says that data saver will prevent some applications from sending or receiving data in the background. Okay, third fix that you can try is dimming your screen. You want to go to display section in your settings, and now open brightness level. Check if adaptive brightness is turned off if you want to keep your screen statically dimmed. So you will use this slider at the top of your screen. So additionally, you can try opening a quick settings panel, and here you can manually adjust your brightness level. So set a low level of display brightness, but yet it should be comfortable for your eyes. And last but not least is disabling always on Wi-Fi scanning. So what I mean, let's go back to homepage of settings, and now let's go to location section. Here it is. Now go to location services and open Wi-Fi scanning. Please make sure that Wi-Fi scanning is turned off, and this will overall help your battery not drain so much. And one more thing with Wi-Fi scanning, I wanted to mention is that even if your Wi-Fi is turned off, your phone will constantly will scan for any local networks. So yeah, that's what drains the battery the most. So I feel like after completing those 4 steps, your HMD Arc phone battery will not drain so fast. And please leave a like on this video and subscribe for our channel, and see you in the next one.